Hey, it's Lisa, Forever Clean Soapworks. Everybody always asks me what my favorite fragrances are, so I'm going to take you on a little tour and show you my favorites. So let me just turn you around here. Liquid soap. I do love most all of them. Well, vanilla bean smells like a cupcake. But my favorite, I made this and have been using it all summer. It smells just like blueberry pie. It smells so good. I mean, I have others, Lake Breeze, grapefruit, and they all smell good, but boy, I love that stuff. That blueberry is awesome. So I have some lotion bars, and my newest fragrance is Bergamot Lily Mint. Now, I created that one myself, and I love it. Oh my gosh, it smells so good. It's not to say the other ones don't. Mango papaya is always popular, midnight pomegranate, and beach daisies. Yeah, lavender. But I love that new one that I made. This one, my coffee. I love coffee. It just smells delicious. It really does. But here's my soaps. Got new boxes. I absolutely love mango papaya, lilac, and rosemary mint. Oh gosh. The vanilla bean, again, smells like a cupcake. My bestseller, and I love this one, is Perfect Man. But I gotta say, like lavender sage is really good, and so is the leather. Um, my pumpkin head, that one smells delicious. But I've got beach daisies over here in the round ones, and I like that one too. Now the lavender sage changes when you use it. It smells so good, but it's still different when you use it, and I don't know why, but it smells great. Here's a sad story. Oh, my gardener soap. It's got all kinds of scrubby stuff in it. That fragrance is going away. Matter of fact, it's gone. Um, that's because I would have to buy 50 pounds of fragrance, and I barely used 2 pounds a year. So 50 pounds, I can't do that. So bye bye. It's called Herb Garden, and it is gone. Blueberry soap is excellent, but the Sunny Citrus, oh gosh, it's orange and it just smells good. But if you want to smell something that smells like a true lilac bush, there we go. I've been using the same fragrance for years and years and years, and everybody says the same thing. It smells real. It really does. Okay, lotion. This is the oldest lotion fragrance that I have. I mean, it's not old. It's the one I've been using the longest. Orange cranberry. I love it. Oh my gosh. Love it. And it's not really, you would think it's a Christmassy scent. It's not. But one of my favorite other scents is the cafe latte. I love that one. That's excellent in a sugar scrub. But then I have my usuals, the mango papaya, the true lilac. The vanilla bean actually smells like a cupcake. Not lying, not gonna lie to you. Rosemary mint, that's excellent. But here's one that I got last year, and oh gosh, I love this one. It smells delicious. Really delicious. Coconut, yep, it's excellent. Now you're going to notice that and this are two different packaging, two different bottles, because sometimes I can't always get that, and I had to switch. Stuff is still hard to get. So onward to some other fragrance stuff. Okay, this is not one that I usually make in regular soap, but I did make it in a loofah. Yeah, it's kind of brownish because of the vanillin, which is vanilla, turns everything brown. Instant Vacation. It smells like you are on a beach somewhere. It smells so good. And here's another one. This is my own creation, Apple Mint. It's a combination of apple and spearmint. Gosh, yeah, that's a really good one. And then we have the usual, the mango papaya and weekend in Maui. That one in there's Perfect Man. And the lilac. What else we got that's really good? Oh, rosemary mint, of course. Of course, what's this? Oh, coconut orange cardamom, just like the lotion. And we have more, hold on. My all-time favorite candle is my coffee candle, and I'm out of the candle, but I do have the wax brittle. All-time favorite. I mean, some of the others are fabulous. Like I have Herb Garden, which is the same as my gardener's soap. Weekend in Maui. Oh, mermaid. Yes. Mermaid smells delicious. Seriously, sunshine. Okay, I don't like patchouli. A lot of people don't like patchouli, but this is patchouli and orange. And even if you don't like patchouli, oh, I beg you to try patchouli orange. I will have some soaps coming out that will be patchouli orange because it doesn't taste. Doesn't smell like patchouli. Cactus flower is a new one too. And lemon lavender, that's a new one. I like them all, but yeah, coffee, my favorite. Yeah, I have a few lip balms. I've got coconut, raspberry, just a couple different lip balms. But here, I'll show you some of these other ones. Wine. I don't like butterscotch. Oh, the fudge brownie one really, yes, really tastes like fudge. Oh, look, there's dill pickle. It's not sour, in case you were wondering. Oh, blueberry's really good. How did you get over there? Get back in there. Okay, and here is my all-time favorite pomegranate. But I can't use it. I have a coconut allergy, and there's coconut oil in pomegranate. Coconut oil in my lip balm. So I don't get to use it. Sad, I know. But that is what it is. Oh, I have one more thing to show you. All right, this is my guy's table. Everybody loves the shower curtain. They know this is the guys section. So, I've got Perfect Man over here. And yes, that's what I make my husband wear. That right there is my husband on the bottle of beard oil, Miller's beard oil. Yes, I make him wear Perfect Man, and when I make him a body whatever, spray, whatever, soap, yes, I make it in this fragrance. I didn't put Sasquatch on that label. I just put the beast on there. But you'll notice in my candle and my soaps and my lotion and my liquid soap that, and those are bath bombs that are Perfect Man scented. You'll notice Sasquatch is on there too. And the reason is because both of them are hard to find. Yep. So that's it. Those are my favorites. Oops, turn this around here. So that's what everybody wanted to know, what my favorites are, and I showed you a few, but really it happens to be whatever day it is, and the one that I'm making is usually my favorite that day. So thanks for watching. Bye.